Dream about better eyesight and, of course, the perfect figure. And now you can get whatever you want at 0% interest. We're not kidding. The eye team has been investigating this very popular trend, and CBS 11's Matt Norden joins us live with more tonight. Matt.
Reagan, insurance won't cover these types of surgeries, so up until now, people had to come up with the money on their own. Well, no more. Just fill out a credit application and go under the knife. Or, as you're about to see, the laser. Cosmetic surgery has reached the masses. You don't even have to be able to afford it anymore. 1 out of 3 patients who lie down in Dr. Eric Coulter's chair uses a loan to pay for their LASIK surgery.
People can pay $89 a month and have the most sophisticated procedure available and still not, break the bank in doing so.
That payment plan comes with 0% interest if you pay it off in time. It's allowing the middle class to get services that once only the wealthy enjoy.
I would say we get the whole spectrum here. I would say 5 years ago it was much more likely that you'd have a well-to-do patient getting involved with this.
Dr. Coulter's office uses a company called Care Credit for financing surgeries. Jan Jones knows it well. 40 of her clients at Consumer Credit Counseling are trying to pay off their Care Credit debts.
If used correctly, that credit is perfectly fine. But it's when people get into a situation where they cannot repay it within those terms that they end up repaying a lot more than they bargained for, and then maybe the surgery isn't as attractive as it might have been.
Jones doesn't have a problem with the company and even calls Care Credit reputable. The problem, she says, is when you aren't able to pay off the loan before the 0% finance period ends.
Let's say they had a balance of $600. They would be given 6 months to repay that debt, and the debt would be interest-free. If they go past that 6 months, then all of the interest that accumulated during that time frame at 26.99% interest is added to the balance immediately, and they have payments based upon that new increased balance.
According to Care Credit's website, the company charges an annual percentage rate of 22.98%. LASIK surgery costs about $2,000 per eye, so your total bill would be around $4,000. If you paid $150 per month, it would take you more than 3 years to pay off the debt. But as Dr. Coulter points out, it's not like he's a used car salesman.
Nobody is being pressured into any kind of surgery.
Look at it this way. When you get the bill, at least you can see it. Dr. Coulter says Care Credit's screening process should make sure that no one gets in over their head by taking out a loan for LASIK surgery that they can't afford. But as we know, sometimes we're approved for loans that we really can't afford to pay back. Reagan.
Well, you can say that again. Thanks so much, Matt. Tonight, another meat recall.